Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 BMW Z4 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so now that we finished prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. First, we're going to spray Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the edge of the headlight here. Once you have it aligned, we're going to lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned right on the edge and make sure the tint is covering the top and the bottom section of the headlight. So if you need to lift it to rearrange it, you can. Just be careful not to crease the film. So that should be good there. Okay, so it's evened out. Once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, and start securing this section of the tint. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath this section here. Once this is secured, we can move on to stretching the film and reaching it to that end. So in order to help the film reach the edge of the headlight here, we need to apply heat around this area of the tint because of the type of curved design that the headlight has. So in order to relieve the tension that it has here in the middle and avoid having too many large fingers, lift the film carefully, apply a little bit of heat around this area here. That way we're able to place the film down and stretch it to this end. So just apply a little bit of Slip Solution on the back side of the film. That way once we finish applying heat, we just place it down and stretch the film to reach to the edge. So use the low setting for this part on the heat gun and apply heat around this area. Okay, once you applied heat, make sure you apply Slip Solution also on the adhesive side of the film. Place it back down and then stretch the film to reach to this end. So you need to stretch it at an angle, that way it reaches to this edge. Okay, once you stretch the film, hold it in position. That way the adhesive on the film starts activating to this section of the headlight. We're going to help it also by tagging it down by applying Tack Solution underneath the film and on top. Make sure you hold it, grab your squeegee, and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath this section here, and then just finish off by applying Tack Solution on the rest of the film. Secure this middle section, and then work your way to the top and to the bottom. The last thing we need to do is just remove the fingers that we have here in this middle section here and on the top. Since they're smaller, now we can work on removing them by just applying heat and a little bit of Tack Solution. So just apply Tack Solution, apply heat to shrink the fingers, and then we're going to use a microfiber towel with our squeegee to help them tag down. So the trick is just to wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, hold the film, and squeegee at an angle. That way we're able to remove the fingers. And also what the microfiber towel does is help remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. And also we prevent from creasing the film since it has a more softer surface to work with and not a more harder one with the squeegee. So just do this method, apply heat, Tack Solution, and then just shrink the fingers. And then just tack it down little by little and it should become flat like this. Just take your time, repeat the process until everything's gone, and then repeat it on the top section, and then once we're done, we'll pulse heat the entire film. So the last thing to do once we finish with the entire installation is to pulse heat the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Tack Solution to the entire tint, And we're going to use your heat gun and use the low setting for this part and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film, and it will also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 BMW Z4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.